Pasadena, Texas, is known for its hot summers, mild winters, and humid subtropical climate. As a homeowner, maintaining comfort throughout the year while managing energy costs is a top priority. One effective way to achieve this is by installing awning windows. These windows are designed to provide excellent airflow, insulation, and energy efficiency, making them an ideal choice for homeowners in Pasadena. Here's how awning windows can enhance your home's energy efficiency in Pasadena's unique climate. Improved ventilation and airflow. Pasadena's climate can get quite hot, especially in the summer months, making it tempting to rely on air conditioning to stay cool. However, using AC constantly can lead to high energy bills. One of the key benefits of awning windows is their ability to improve ventilation and airflow throughout your home. The design of awning windows is unique. They are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, allowing for easy airflow even during light rain. This feature is especially useful in Pasadena, where the humidity can sometimes make your home feel stuffy. By opening the windows to allow fresh air to circulate, you can reduce your reliance on air conditioning, leading to lower energy consumption and more comfortable living spaces. Energy-efficient glass option. In a climate like Pasadena's, energy-efficient windows are a must. Awning windows are often equipped with double or triple pane glass, which provides superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. These glass options help keep heat inside your home during the winter and block out excess heat during the summer. The insulation provided by multi-pane windows reduces the need for heating and cooling systems to work as hard, which translates to lower energy costs. Additionally, many awning windows come with low emissivity glass coatings, which reflect heat while still allowing sunlight to pass through. This feature is especially beneficial in the hot Texas summers, where reducing solar heat gain can make a significant difference in indoor temperature control. By reducing the amount of heat entering your home, low-E glass helps keep your home cooler and reduces the load on your air conditioning system. Minimized air leaks and drafts. One of the major drawbacks of older windows is their tendency to leak air, which can lead to drafts and increased energy consumption. Over time, the seals around older windows can degrade, allowing air to leak in or out. This can make it harder to regulate your home's temperature and result in higher utility bills. Awning windows, however, are designed to create a tight seal when closed, reducing the chances of air leakage. The outward opening mechanism of awning windows ensures that they fit snugly within the frame, preventing drafts and improving the overall insulation of your home. By replacing old, inefficient windows with new awning windows, you can minimize air leaks and keep your home more energy efficient, especially in a climate like Pasadena's where temperature fluctuations can occur. Protection against the elements. Pasadena experiences periods of heavy rain, humidity, and storms, especially during the hurricane season. One of the advantages of awning windows is that they provide protection against the elements. Since they open outward from the bottom, awning windows are ideal for allowing airflow even in rainy conditions. This makes them particularly useful for ventilating your home during a rainstorm without the worry of getting your interior wet. secure, tight-fitting design of awning windows also helps prevent water from seeping into your home, providing an added layer of protection against leaks and water damage. This is especially important in Pasadena, where heavy rainfall can sometimes cause flooding or water intrusion in older, less efficient windows. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Another significant advantage of awning windows is their low-maintenance nature. Unlike traditional wood windows, which can warp, rot, or require regular painting, awning windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum are highly durable and resistant to weather-related damage. These materials are well suited to withstand the heat, humidity, and occasional storms of Pasadena, ensuring that your windows continue to perform well for years to come without frequent repairs. By investing in awning windows, you reduce the need for ongoing maintenance costs. There's no need to worry about repainting or resealing them every few years. Their durability ensures that your home remains secure, energy efficient, and visually appealing for many years with minimal upkeep. Boosting your home's value. In addition to improving energy efficiency and reducing maintenance costs, installing new awning windows can increase your home's overall value. Energy-efficient features are highly desirable to potential buyers, especially in climates like Pasadena, where temperature regulation is crucial for comfort. Modern, energy-efficient windows are often seen as an upgrade that reduces long-term utility costs, making your home more appealing to buyers and boosting its market value. Additionally, awning windows' sleek design and functionality enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home's exterior. Their modern look and practical design make them a popular choice for homeowners looking to update their windows while improving energy efficiency. Conclusion. For homeowners in Pasadena looking to enhance energy efficiency and comfort, awning windows offer numerous benefits. From improved airflow and reduced reliance on air conditioning to better insulation and protection against the elements, awning windows are an excellent investment. Their energy-efficient glass options, durability, and low-maintenance nature make them an ideal solution for Pasadena's climate. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient awning windows, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, a more comfortable living environment, and a boost in your home's value for years to come.